guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the deals that are going on at H-E-B this week. So the deal started on Wednesday the 11th, and they're going to run through the 17th. So I'll talk to you about the deals that I grabbed, as well as a few that are in the weekly ad that I didn't get. And then at the very end of the video, I will include some pictures of clearance items that I saw while I was shopping. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. Also, I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribed to my channel. That would be so wonderful. Also, a quick question for you guys. Right now, when I do videos, I typically go shopping, I come home, and I set this up and shoot a video and tell you what I bought, how much I paid for it, and what coupons I used. I also include a Google Doc on each video. That way you have a printable list of the items. Now my question is, would you prefer to see some in-store footage? So while I'm shopping, whether it be H-E-B, CVS, Walgreens, would you like for me to video the shopping process? Let me know. Yes, I would love to see that. No, you don't have to do that. It's not a big deal to me. Let me know what your preference is. I would love to hear from you. All right, so let's jump into these H-E-B deals. First off, did y'all get this little mailer that has these awesome coupons? It says exclusive offers just for you. $3 off a $30 basket, $2 off your basket when you spend at least $2 on bread, bagels, buns, or English muffins, $2 off your basket when you spend $2 on any type of cheese. And then there is a bonus offer that talks about the H-E-B app, which is $3 off $10 or more on H-E-B baking items. Now, I did not get this flyer, or at least I haven't yet. It could be sitting in my mailbox. My mom just gave me this. It got mailed to her house. This bonus offer down here, the digital offer, I did get in my app, but these others did not get mailed to me. So H-E-B is apparently holding out on me. Let me know if you guys got it. How do they decide who gets these and who doesn't? So that brings up a good point. Every Wednesday, when the ad changes, I will get into the H-E-B app and just quickly scroll through and see what the new coupons are for the week, especially those basket coupons that say $2 off a $10 baking purchase or $2 off an $8 lotion purchase, because the basket coupons can be combined with manufacturer coupons. That is in H-E-B's coupon policy. So those basket coupons, when it says $3 off your basket when you spend, those can be combined with manufacturer coupons. So those tend to be a really, really good deal. All right, so jumping into the deals that I grabbed this week. There is a digital coupon for buy one, get one free Skinner pasta. The spaghetti was priced at 98 cents. So when you buy two, you will pay 98 cents, making them just 49 cents each. There is also a digital coupon on this McCormick cinnamon. So the cinnamon is $2.18. There is a $1 off coupon, making this $1.18. That makes this bigger size even less expensive than getting one of that smaller size of the cinnamon. So if you're going to be doing some holiday baking, or you just really love cinnamon, it's a really good deal on the cinnamon this week. I've talked about this one before, but the Kraft cheese is typically $2.78. There is a digital coupon making these 2 for $5, and Ibotta is giving back 50 cents on each of them, making them 2 for $4, or just $2 each. Another great deal this week is on the Old Orchard. I grabbed the apple juice. There's also lemonade. These guys are priced at $1.98 for 64 fluid ounces, and there's a $1 off digital coupon, making them just 98 cents. So just over half off on the apple juice and the lemonade. Now, if you have not yet grabbed the Zen water, this was an Ibotta offer as well. This guy is $1.79, and you get $1.79 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. So truth be told, I had already used mine, so this is just the one I haven't had yet that I purchased last week. My ibotta offer is gone. Another one, the avocados this week, the large avocados are on sale for 98 cents, and ibotta is giving back 10 cents when you buy an avocado, making it just 88 cents. I'm going to talk about these here in just a second. I found those on clearance. These guys, the Nestle Pure Life Fruit Water, these are $3.38. There is a buy one, get one free digital HEB coupon, making it $3.38 for both. But check your Ibotta offers because there is an offer for $1.50 back on one, and you can use that multiple times. So I got $3 back, making both packs 38 cents or just 19 cents a pack. Okay, let me talk to you about these guys real quick. They were on clearance at my store for $1.79, and this is the Sheila G's Brownie Brittle Caramel Apple. And then this is the Pumpkin Spice. Have y'all tasted these? I've never had any of the flavors, so I have no idea if they're any good. But at $1.79, I knew that I could get them for free, so I thought I would try them out. Ibotta is giving $1 back with a limit of 5, so I got $1 back on each of them. Fetch Rewards is giving back 750 points for each one, and 750 points is equivalent to 75 cents. So that took $1 off with Ibotta, 75 cents off with Fetch Rewards, making them just 4 cents each. But Coin Out is also giving back $1 on these guys, and so I did submit my receipt to Coin Out for $1 back as well, making it a little bit of a moneymaker. All right, now all of these products are part of a crazy awesome Unilever deal that's going on. I'm going to talk to you about that here in just a second, but let me tell you about the other deals that are happening that I didn't grab. There are baby bottles that are priced at $3.97, and there's a $3 off coupon that's applying to those, making a 3-pack of bottles just 97 cents. So if you need bottles or you want to add some bottles to a baby gift or make a donation of bottles somewhere, that is a great price. The Bic Silky Touch razors are $2.97, and there is a $2.50 digital coupon that's applying to that, making those razors just 47 cents. There is some disinfectant and sanitizer that's $3.98, and there is a coupon for buy one, get one free. The store I was at earlier today had plenty, so if you're in the need, or if you're in need of cleaning supplies, you can grab 2 of those bottles for $1.99 each. The Idahoan mashed potatoes are priced at $1.98. It's the box of mashed potatoes, $1.98. There's a $1 off coupon, making them 98 cents each, so just over 50% off on those guys. Okay, so on to the Unilever deals. First off, we got a Unilever insert on November 1st. So if you still have those, you can score some amazing items this week. If you don't have those, make sure to check the paper this weekend. I have heard that there should be additional coupons for these items coming out in this Sunday's paper. So hopefully that happens. That way you can score some awesome deals on these products. So when I checked my app, I had a coupon for $5 off a $15 purchase on Dove, Suave, Tresemme, Degree products, and it's unlimited use. What that means is if you spend $15, you'll get $5 off. If you spend $30, you're gonna get $10 off. $45, you're gonna get $15 off. Does that make sense? Okay, so $5 off for every $15 in product that you buy. There is also a coupon for $2 off your basket when you spend at least $8 on lotion or deodorant, and those combined. So I was able to use the $2 off 8 and the $5 off 15 on the Degree deodorant. There's also a coupon for $2 off your basket when you spend $8 in facial cleanser or moisturizer. I didn't use that one, but I'm sure there are some good scenarios that you could use that coupon for to get some items for super inexpensive. Let me tell you the Unilever deals that I did. I did 2 different transactions. I bought these 4 deodorants and these 2 body washes in one transaction, okay? And the only reason I did it in separate transactions is because I wanted to make sure it worked before I did a whole second transaction. So one I did on one day, the other I did the next day. These Dove body washes, the 22 fluid ounce Dove body wash, these are priced at $5.94, okay? And then the Degree deodorants, these spray deodorants, are priced at $4.97. So I bought 4 of these at $4.97, 2 of these at $5.94. That totals to $31.76. So the $5 off 15 came off twice. It took off $10. I then had 2 coupons for $3 off 2 Degree deodorants. So I used one $3 off 2, another $3 off 2 from the November 1st Unilever. And then I had a $3 off 2 Dove body wash. I also had that $2 off of an $8 deodorant purchase. So all of those came off with 0 issues. I paid $10.76 for all 6 of these items. And then Fetch Rewards right now is giving you $10 in points for every $30 you spend. So again, this was $31 before coupons. So Fetch gave me back $10, making all 6 of these items a total of 76 cents, which I thought was a pretty fantastic deal. All right, so let me tell you the second deal that I did. I bought 1 Dove shampoo and conditioner. These were both $3.88. I got 2 of the Suave men's shampoo and conditioner. These were $2.94. Ironically, the only product that we actually really needed was the hairspray. So this was $4.88. I bought 2 of them. And then the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, the 28 fluid ounce, these are priced at $3.88. And I got 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. All right, so when I total all of these items, again, I'm just over the $30. It was $31.16. So 2 of the $5 off $15 purchase came off. I had a $5 off 2 Tresemme coupon from the November 1st Unilever. I had a $4 off 2 Dove hair care purchase. I used 1 for these 2 items, and I used another one for these 2 items. And then I had 2 $1.50 off coupons for any Suave men's hair care product. All of those coupons added up, made me pay $5.16. And again, I got $10 back from Fetch Rewards, making this a moneymaker. So that was pretty fantastic. There's so many different scenarios that you could come up with using the Suave, the Dove, the Degree, the Tresemme. Just play with it, figure out what you need, what coupons you have, get yourself to the $15 or to the $30 to make sure you get the $5 or $10 off. And then if you're not using Fetch Rewards yet, definitely download that app. My referral code will be in the video description. You can scan products, scan receipts, and get points back, and then you redeem those points for gift cards. I typically will get gift cards to CVS. That way when I do my CVS shopping, I'm spending nothing out of pocket because I use my gift card to pay for it. The Tresemme is probably the best price point because they're $3.88, and that $5 off 2 coupon is a really great coupon. But I only had 1 of those coupons, which is why I threw in a couple different items. There also, I believe that coupon says, and I don't have one to look at, but I believe the Tresemme says only 2 coupons per shopping trip. Always make sure you read that. So if it says only 2 per shopping trip, make sure you're not trying to use 3 or 4, since that's what the coupon is recommending that you do or stipulating that you do. Overall, fantastic deals over at H-E-B. If you have not checked out my Walmart or my CVS video or my Walgreens video for this week, make sure you do that, and stay tuned for my shopping videos coming up for next week. Hop on over to my Facebook page, facebook.com/savingwithchristina, or my Instagram account, which is Save with Christina, where I am consistently posting deals for you guys. Hope y'all are having a great Friday. Thanks.